Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of I have no idea what I'm doing. Tonight, we got a couple shrimp skewers, yum. All of them have Old Bay. One of them I added some chili lime seasoning, and the other one I added some Mrs. Dash. The plain Old Bay is for my lovely assistant. She's not as adventurous as I am, but I got a feeling these might be good. They're gonna cook really super quick. These were cheap. I should have gotten like 50 of them. Can you smell it? And they're already starting to get pretty colors. Pretty shrimpy colors. Yeah. Got this turned down below at the moment. Yeah, I'll go a little bit more. It's turned down to low, but it was up higher for some other cooking and cleaning and some whatnotting. And so it's still got some heat to the griddle. Look at that. No baja, no shrimp for you. Let's see what it looks like now. The ones over here at the end are cooking a little bit faster. Shrimp cooks fast. As soon as it gets that pretty pink color, it's done. Excuse me, this is my fancy new super scrubber, which I won't be using often, but when it needs a real cleanup, by gosh, it does the job. Where's your ball, Bob? Oh, there's your ball. Okay, let's take a peek here. Oh, it's smelling shrimpy. The chili lime really looks good. I think we're done there. What do you think? Stop spinning around. Take a look. Shrimpy. Okay. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap, y'all.